Today's newspaper is the story of a woman and a boyfriend who have the most 311 noise complaint calls because their sex is too loud. So we started having a conversation in the room about, do you like noise? You've had complaints from neighbors.
Yeah, one time, this is a couple years ago, I used to rent the top part of a townhouse. My downstairs neighbor was old and always in my business, and she knocked at the door the next morning, and she's like, I'm very concerned about you. You sounded like you were getting killed.
Oh, you make noise like that?
Yeah. It was so... I had to laugh.
Now, for the audience, I have asked Laura Styles to give us a demo.
I'm not going to do that.
She said no.
No.
So, we're going to go around.
No. Shawnee, no.
Why not? But you have no shame.
No, I'm grown. Come on, man.
And you prefer making noise. Like, if it's good, you making noise.
Yeah.
What about a guy that makes noise?
I don't mind that. I want somebody to talk to me. I want to make sure that you're in the moment with me. You know what I mean? I don't want somebody who's just quiet and just, I don't know.
All right, so fellas, ladies, everybody call in, 800-223-9797. Some people don't like all that noise. DD Digital, Scotty Beam. You don't like a dude to make noise.
Don't be screaming like you lost your mind. I don't like all that. Talk to me. That's cool.
But do you make noise?
I make noise. Yeah. But I don't like no screaming, like no bear sounds, no lion sounds, no tiger sounds. Yeah,
we have Marissa Mendez in here.
I need all the noise you could possibly make.
Give us a demo. Marissa will give us a demo. Let's go. What kind of noise, Marissa?
No, like if I just need, he needs to ask, like, tell daddy you like that. Or like, I was like, yes, daddy.
I told you I should give a little something. We're taking your calls. Do you like noise? What kind of noise? Fellas make noise. Ladies, do you like when fellas make noise? We're talking sex and making noise. It's Ebro in the morning.